Wait a minute. Okay, Euro USD. Well, that looks like it's wanting to come up too, and it look like we're changing direction. MACD supports it. Notice that. First thing I like doing is noticing this MACD right here. See this? We are definitely headed higher. I pointed this out. Actually, we were on the 2 days ago. We were on the this is on Friday. We were on a key level, bouncing up. So yeah, I think I do need to like take a position here, and maybe it looks like that. Let's go for it. This is different, but I'm also doing this at a different time of day, right? And so that's the difference. Whenever you find different times of day to trade, you'll start to see that, some of these entries originate at certain times of the day. I know Irek and Infinite Prosperity and all those guys are big proponents of the London morning. So we're like in that right now. We're in this one. That's the stop. My actual target could be really crazy. It could be all the way up here to the recent high, which is back here. So yeah, I can hold that as a real target and then have little milestones along the way. Let's play that. See if I can see anything in here. But you see all these red candles, that's like a huge sharp drop down without any kind of pullback. So we're due for a pullback. I doubt it'll go that high. Maybe it stops here at the 50 MA. Maybe that's our profit target. So a little 2% move. I'll go with that. And these are high time frames. I always like to touch on those and kind of show that. But okay, Euro USD. So it looks like we're bouncing from here. I went ahead and triggered an entry. Again, I'm not comfortable with doing it like this, but this is how you learn. So again, the analogy with the baseball thing, you see a fastball, now it's time to hit the fastball. It's time to do it in real time. I've already analyzed and understand my setup pretty well. So we're going to take that. Euro JPY. Again, there is an entry here. Damn, I'm seeing a lot of entries today. I'm either off or I'm doing it right here. I might be off though. So better situation. I'm going to be assuming, so we've been in a channel kind of here. I'll be assuming that we come up from here, even though we should probably go down. I'm going to watch this one. I'm not going to trade that one. It's not as tight as the previous. So let me show you this. Euro USD versus JPY. This one, we're changing direction. So we're coming out of a downtrend, went sideways, now we're going into an uptrend. Okay, fair enough. JPY though, there's no overall trend here. We're up and down, up and down. There's no like overall trend. We're super sideways. No real trend here. Did I say there's no real trend? This is a daily chart, so we came off of several down bars, and now we're changing direction. I'd rather take my chances on that, man. Euro GBP had a really interesting intersection right here where we dropped down. Kind of want to go back and see this. That's pretty nice. Euro GBP bounced right off the 50 MA. We're kind of sideways now. Nothing interesting going on there, really. Euro CHF. Did I mark USD? Yeah, okay. Let me see. Euro GBP. I think I need to like watch this one. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. GBP, not so much. No man's land, kind of sideways. CHF, you got rolling profit here. I'm not sure on this one, man. I don't know what direction we're going. We're supported by 50 MA. I'm gonna get out of this right now. It's time to get out, in my opinion. So it looks like 0.97 is where we're at. Close out. So today's the 18th. Yeah. 218. Boom. Out. Easy. Too easy. That's why I like this stuff, man, because you can really get into a groove and find your way to do things. And even when it doesn't really go the way you want it to, you can get out and still make a profit. So even though that trade did not work out, that wasn't a winning trade. It just kind of stagnated on me. Still got paid. I lost money on this one, -1. So 195 is what I ended up making on this. This one doesn't seem like there's no real like overall trend on this, man. I think we're going down, but like it's still super choppy. And those are some pretty big bars where it's going down and alternating. That's why I got all these different colors, all this red in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's been hard for me to predict. I'm done on that. Euro AUD, nothing blaringly obvious right now. Okay, I got 2 positions rolling into next week. I should have got out of here a couple hours ago. No, more than a couple hours ago. Yeah. This definitely doesn't look like we're going to continue to go down. Make a decision on this real quick. Hold on. I can always get back in, man. It's just commission. I'll pay a commission just to lock stuff in. So what I could do is A1. Yeah, so that's 6, 3, 6 is what this is. I'll go with that, man. I'll take 3, 6, close out. Okay, so we're out right here. That's fine. Still made 3.6. I'll take it. Another entry that I'm seeing right here. But there's no entry, or there's no trend. The trend just isn't strong enough right here. I'm sorry, let me go back. I want to make sure that I watch Euro AUD. Okay, yeah, we're good. This is interesting, but there's no, it's not blaringly obvious that we're actually going to continue higher here. Doesn't seem like it, man. CAD I want to take that one higher too. I do want to take this higher, but I'm not sure. I gotta find a little bit better solution than these. so much. I got out here, so it's pretty interesting. Yeah, we got out in a good time. So taking it off of a key level like that gives you some kind of like benchmark so that you know you're not just chasing a trade. I feel like I'm chasing right here, so I'll let that one pass. I don't have to get every single trade, man. And more importantly, I need to be able to understand when I win and why I won, instead of these kind of like, it's an open shot, but man, there's no real way to tell if I'm right or not on this, or why I'm right, I guess. No man's land on this one too. Yeah, anyways. All right, AUD pairs last.